I love my hair. My hair really matters to me. That's why I keep going back to Kama Ayurveda's organic hair color kit. It is the safest hair color product that I know. I started using the henna and indigo duo 2 years ago, and I have never gone back to chemicals. As women, we juggle many roles. And in the midst of all this, Kama makes me feel that I'm taken care of. I can color freely without any guilt or worry about damaging my hair. All grey is covered and long-lasting hair color. Graying is natural and so is the hair color that I choose. 100% natural, 0% chemicals.